All right, good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 5th, and we're just continuing our study of arrays. We're going to do lesson number 2 on it. And so pretty straightforward folder today. Go on in there. There'll be a lesson, video lesson. Corresponding with that lesson are these notes. So this is a .java file that you can open up and then copy and paste the code into your Eclipse or whatever editor you're using, and then kind of fill in the parts as you go. So that's a good file to have access to. I would do that probably right away. It'll tell you to do it in this video too. But also then there's another short, quick puzzle piece assignment on Schoology here. Definitely the ones from the last couple of days, they're worth it to do. They're good review for you, good practice. Arrays, just something you got to learn the syntax and learn how to use them. Once you kind of get the hang of them, get the vocab down, they're not too bad, but make sure you get the extra practice there. The more you put into it, the better off you're going to be, the more you're going to learn this though. Yeah, that's it for today. Short video lesson and then an assignment. I don't know if it's short actually. I have no idea how long it is, but video lesson and then that assignment. All right, have a good